Friends, now here we solve remaining question of exercise 7.9, question number 11, 7.9. Here given, find the definite integral 2 to 3 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. We know that integration of 1 upon x square minus x square. Think what is the integration of 1 upon x square minus x square. You know that 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus a c. So integration of this is equal to 1 upon 2a, a is equal to 1. So 2 log mod x minus a is equal to 1 upon x plus a. Clear? And apply its limit 2 to 3. So is equal to, now we know that 1 by 2 take outside. First take 3. So log 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 minus log 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Here apply magnitude, bracket over, is equal to 1 by 2. Here log 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 3 plus 1, 4. So becomes 1 by 2 minus log, here 2 minus 1 become 1 upon 2 plus 1, that is 3. So is equal to 1 by 2, and we know that log a minus log b is equal to log a upon b. So log 1 by 2 upon 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 1. So is equal to 1 by 2 log 3 by 2. Answer. Clear? Now next question, question number 12. Find the integration of cos square x dx, limit 0 to pi by 2 given. We know that there is no formula for cos square x. So applying the formula, remove this sub square. We know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 take this side, so cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x and divide by 2. So we get cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Here cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx, limit 0 to pi by 2. So is equal to, now 1 by 2 take outside, and integration 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos x, cos 2x dx. Now find integration of both terms. Integration of 1 with respect to x is equal to x, plus integration of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x upon 2, and the limit 0 to pi by 2. Clear? So is equal to 1 by 2. Now apply limits. First put here pi by 2. So here we get pi by 2 plus sin 2 into pi by 2 becomes pi upon 2 minus 0. This term also becomes 0. Clear? So here sin pi equal to 0, we know that. So 1 by 2, here pi by 2 plus 0 upon 2 become 0. So is equal to 1 by 2 take inside, we get pi by 4. Answer. Clear? Now next question, question number 13. Find integration 2 to 3 x upon x square plus 1 dx. Here first we get integration of x upon x square plus 1. We know that in this type of integration, if integrand given x upon x square plus 1, then how to solve? X square plus 1 is equal to, take a t. Let x square plus 1 is equal to t. This implies 2x dx is equal to become dt. Clear? So this implies x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So integration becomes 1 by 2 dt upon t. So is equal to integration, here 1 by 2 take outside, integration of 1 upon t is equal to log mod t. Clear? So integration becomes a 1 by 2 log mod t. T is equal to x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Clear? Plus c. But here in a definite integration, we do not write this arbitrary constant. Therefore, integration 2 to 3 x dx upon x square plus 1 is equal to, here integration of this is equal to, we know that 1 by 2 log mod x square plus 1 and apply limit 2 to 3. Without this arbitrary constant, we write this integration. Now apply limit fb minus fa. Here first 1 by 2 take outside, log 2, here replace x by 3. So 3 raised to 2, that is 9 plus 1, minus log, here 2 square is a 4 plus 1. So is equal to 1 by 2, here becomes log 10 minus log 5. So is equal to 1 by 2 log 10 upon 5, that is a 2. Clear? So is equal to, in a reducing form, log 1 by 2 write in power form, so becomes root 2. Clear? Answer. Now next question 14. Find integration 0 to 1 2x plus 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. We know that in this type of integration, first we get a and b in such a way that 2x plus 3 is equal to a into derivative of 5x square plus 1 plus b. So is equal to a into derivative of this is equal to 5 into derivative of x square is a 2x. So 2 into 2 10x, derivative of 1 is a 0 plus a b. So is equal to 10ax plus a b. Now compare both sides. 10a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Therefore value of a is equal to 2 upon 10, that is 1 upon 5, and b is equal to 3. So integration becomes, here 2x plus 3, in place of this write this terms, a into ddx of 5x square plus 1 plus a b, by replacing value of a and b. Here a is equal to, we know that 1 upon 5 into d dx of 5x square plus 1, clear, plus b. B is equal to, we have 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. Now dividing by 5x square plus 1 to both terms, integration, here 1 upon 5 take outside, d dx of 5x square plus 1 upon 5x square plus 1 dx plus 3 take outside, integration 1 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. So is equal to 1 upon 5 integration d dx of phi x square plus 1 upon phi x square plus 1 dx plus from this here phi take outside, so 3 upon pi integration 1 upon x square plus 1 upon pi, write in a perfect square form, so 1 upon pi root of this raised to 2, clear, dx. Now get integration of both terms. 1 upon pi integration of this is equal to, we know that f dash x upon fx, that is log mod fx pi x square plus 3 upon pi integration of this is equal to integration of 1 upon x square plus x square is a 1 upon a, that is 1 upon root pi tan inverse x upon a, x upon a 1 upon root pi, a is a 1 upon root pi, clear. Now simplify this, 1 upon pi log mod pi x square plus 1 plus here become numerator denominator numerator, so root pi into 3 upon a pi, that it becomes 3 upon root pi, clear, or a pi upon root pi, that is a root pi, so 3 upon root pi tan inverse here root pi x. Now replace this integration in our definite integration. Therefore integration 0 to 1 2x plus 3 upon pi x square plus 1 dx is equal to 1 upon pi log mod pi x square plus 1 plus 3 upon root pi tan inverse root pi x and apply limit 0 to 1, clear. So is equal to, now apply limit, so 1 upon pi log mod pi x is equal to 1, so pi into 1 become pi plus 1 6 plus 3 by root pi tan inverse here root pi into 1, that is a root pi, minus replace x by 0, so 1 upon pi log 0 plus 1, that is log 1, and log 1 becomes 0, minus here tan inverse 0 becomes also 0, so is equal to simplification 1 upon pi log 6 plus 3 upon root pi tan inverse root pi, answer, clear. Now question number 15, find a definite integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x square dx. First we get the integration of x e raised to x square dx separately. 0 here integration x e raised to x square dx. Let x square is equal to t. This implies 2x dx is equal to become dt, clear. So integration becomes, here 2 take this side, so x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, e raised to x square is equal to t, so e raised to t into 1 by 2 dt, clear. So is equal to 1 by 2 integration of e raised to 2 is equal to e raised to t plus integrand constant c, not necessary for this definite integration, arbitrary constant. So integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x square dx is equal to, here replace t by main form, so 1 by 2 e raised to x square plus c. Now integration of this is equal to 1 by 2 e raised to x square, 1 by 2 e raised to x square, and apply limit 0 to 1. So is equal to 1 by 2 here e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0, so is equal to e raised to 1, that is e upon a 2. E raised to 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so e minus 1 upon a 2, answer. Now question number 16. Find the definite integration 1 to 2 pi x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. In this type of integration, first we find the integration pi x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3. 0 here, only find this integration pi x square upon x raised to 2 plus 4x plus 3 dx. Here pi x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 is an improper rational function. So first we change into proper form, dividing by x square plus 4x plus 3 to pi x square. Here to get a pi x square, multiply by pi. So here we get a pi x square plus 4x 4 pi 20x plus pi 3 15. Now subtract this, so minus 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 becomes minus 20x minus 15. Here, so in place of pi x square, write a product of these two plus this, so is equal to becomes integration here pi into x square plus 4x plus 3 minus, from these two minus pi take common, so we get here minus pi into 4x plus 3, clear, upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. Now dividing by x square plus 4x plus 3 to both terms, here we get pi minus here pi into 4x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 3, and apply integration dx. Okay, dx, so is equal to, now find both separately, say first I1, second say I2. Here I1 is equal to integration phi dx is equal to phi integration of 1 is equal to x, we know that. Take this result number 1, this is a 2. Now in a second, integration pi into 4x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. By partial fraction we get a integration of this 4x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 3, factor of 3, factor of this is equal to 3, 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, so factor of this is equal to x plus 3, x plus 1, clear, is equal to a upon first factor x plus 3 plus b upon second factor x plus 1. Okay, for x is equal to minus 3, we get value of a is equal to, remove these terms, now x plus 3 remove from both sides and replace x by minus 3, so minus 3 into 4 minus 12, minus 12 plus 3 becomes minus 9 upon here minus 3 plus 1 become minus 2 is equal to 9 upon 2, and x is equal to minus 1. This implies b is equal to, compare these two terms, x plus 1 cancel, so b is equal to, replace x by minus 1, so minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 upon here minus 1 plus 3 becomes 2, So b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, integration I2 is equal to 5 into integration a. Here a is equal to 9 upon 2 upon x plus 3 plus b. b is equal to minus 1 by 2 upon x plus 1 dx. Clear? You know that in place of these terms we write a upon x plus 3 plus b upon x plus 1 with value of a and b. So is equal to 9 upon 2 take outside. So 9 into 5, 45 upon 2. Integration of 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to log mod x plus 3 minus 1 by 2 into 5, that is a minus 5 upon 2 into integration of 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to log mod x plus 1. Clear? Now say this result number 2. By first, second and third, I is equal to becomes a subtraction of pi x and these terms. Therefore, I is equal to I1 is a pi x minus I2 is equal to minus 45 upon 2 log x plus 3 minus plus 5 upon 2 log mod x plus 1. Okay, therefore integration 1 to 2 pi x square upon x raised to 2 plus 4x plus 3 dx is equal to, in place of this integration, write integration pi x minus 45 upon 2 log x plus 3 plus 5 upon 2 log x plus 1 and limit 1 to 2. Clear? Now simplify this here. Here first fb minus fe. Here b is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 become 10 minus 45 upon 2 log 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 upon 2 log 2 plus 3 1, that is a 3. Here remove this magnitude because 5 is a positive, minus, now replacing by 1, x is equal to take 1, so 5 into 1, that is a 5, and apply minus sign, subtract all, minus become plus 45 upon 2 log, here simplify this log 1 plus 3 become 4 minus 5 upon 2 log 1 plus 1, that is a 2. Okay, now 10 minus 5 become 5. Now simplify this, 10 minus 5 becomes 5. Here minus 45 upon 2 log 5 plus 45 upon 2 log 4. So plus 45 upon 2, take common. So here we get log 4 minus log 5. Okay, and 5 upon 2 log 3 minus 5 upon 2 log 2. So plus 5 upon 2 log 3 minus log 2 is equal to 5 plus 45 upon 2 log 4 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 log 3 upon 2. Answer. Clear? Now next question 17. Find the integration 0 to pi by 4 to sec square x plus x raised to 3 plus 2 dx. We know that integration of first x where x is a 10x, so 2 10x plus integration of x raised to 3 is a x raised to 4 upon 4 plus 2x and apply limit 0 to pi by 4. So is equal to, now apply fb minus fa. Here b is equal to pi by 4, so 2 into 10 pi by 4 plus here pi by 4 raised to 4 upon 4 plus 2 into pi by 4 minus 2 10 0 becomes 0, x raised to 4 upon 4 becomes 0 and the 2x also becomes 0. So is equal to 10 pi by 4 is a 1, so 2 into 1 plus pi raised to 4 upon 2 pi raised to 4 raised to 4 into 4 raised to 1 become 4 raised to 5 plus pi by 2. Clear? Here 2 plus pi raised to 4 upon 4 raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 10 is equal to, we know that 10 24 plus pi by 2. Answer. Now next question 18. Find integration 0 to pi sin square x upon 2 minus cos square x upon 2 dx. We know that first we remove this square. Applying formula, sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos twice of this, that is x upon 2. So integration 0 to pi 1 minus cos twice of x by 2 is x upon 2 minus cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x upon 2 dx. So is equal to, now simplify this, 0 to pi, 1 by 2 take outside, here we get 1 minus cos x minus 1 minus cos x dx. So is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to pi, 1 minus 1 cancel, minus cos become minus 2 cos x, so minus 2 take common, here we get a cos x dx. So is equal to minus integration of cos x is a sin x and apply limit 0 to pi. So answer is equal to sin pi is equal to 0 and sin 0 equal to 0. So 0 minus 0 become 0. Clear? Answer. Now question number 19. Find the definite integration 0 to 2 6x plus 3 upon x square plus 4 dx. In this type of integral, first we divide by x square plus 4 to both terms. We get a 0 to 2 6x upon x square plus 4 dx plus 3 take outside, integration 0 to 2 1 upon x square plus 4 dx. So is equal to, now derivative of x square plus 4 is equal to 2x. So 3 take outside, so 3 integration 0 to 2 here becomes 2x upon x square plus 4 dx plus 3 integration 0 to 2 1 upon x square plus 4, that is x square plus 4, that is 2 square dx. So is equal to 3. We know that f dash x upon fx, integration f dash x upon fx is equal to, we know that log mod fx. So derivative of x square plus 4 is a 2x. So integration of this is equal to log mod x square plus 4. Here x here is a positive, 4 is positive, so remove this magnitude and apply 0 to 2 limits. Now plus 3 integration of 1 upon x square plus 2 square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a is equal to 2, and the limit 0 to 2. Clear? So is equal to 3. Now replace x by 2, so we get log 2 square is a 4 plus 4 8. Clear? Minus log 4 plus 3 into, now replace x by 2, here 1 by 2 take outside, so 3 by 2 tan inverse 1, 2 upon 2 1, minus tan inverse 0 becomes 0. Clear? Now simplification, so is equal to become 3 log 8 upon 4, that is a 2, plus 3 upon 2 into tan inverse 1 is equal to 5 by 4. So is equal to 3 log 2 plus 3 pi upon 4 to 8. Answer. Okay. Now question number 20. Define integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x plus sin pi x upon 4 dx. So is equal to, now apply integration to both. Integration 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx plus integration 0 to 1 sin pi x upon 4 dx. Now here we apply integration by part. We know that integration x e raised to x dx in our law LIATE. Here x is an algebraic function, e raised to x is an exponential function. Algebraic function come first, so select for u, and the second function select for a v, and apply integration by part. So u, that is x, integration e raised to x dx minus integration derivative of u, that is x, integration e raised to x dx whole dx, and apply 0 to 1 plus, now integration of sin pi x upon 4 is equal to minus cos pi x upon 4 upon pi upon 4, and the limit 0 to 1. So is equal to, now here integration of this is equal to e raised to x minus derivative of x is equal to 1, integration of e raised to x is the e raised to x dx, and the limit 0 to 1, and here 4 upon pi take outside into bracket minus cos pi x upon 4, and apply limit 0 to 1. So is equal to, now integration of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, so e raised to x and the limit 0 to 1 plus 4 upon pi minus cos pi x upon 4 0 to 1. So is equal to, now apply limit. So here replace x by 1, so we get e raised to 1 minus e raised to 1 minus apply x by 0, so first term becomes 0 minus minus plus e raised to 0, here 0 into e raised to 0 becomes 0, plus minus take outside, so minus 4 upon pi, and I apply limit cos pi upon 4, clear, minus cos 0. So is equal to, Here e raised to 1 minus e raised to 1 becomes 0, and this become e raised to 0, that is a 1, minus 4 upon a pi cos pi by 4 is a 1 upon root 2 minus cos 0 is a 1. So is equal to, so simplify this here, we get answer 1 minus 4 upon root 2 into pi minus minus plus 4 upon pi. Clear? Answer. And now question number 21. Object equation given 1 to root 3 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. We know that integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is a tan inverse x, and apply limit. Similarly 22, solve yourself. Okay, bye.